Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today, I'm going to show you how to install signature plates on a BMW X5. Let's go. Okay, the first step is to get rid of the standard issue bracket because the holes don't line up with the car at all. And grab yourself one of our brackets. Just make sure you choose the correct one. There are different styles. The instructions on our website. This is correct for this car. All we got to do is just mount this to the car. The holes will line up. And from there, we'll install the plate. Alrighty, now we've got our bracket. The first thing to do is select the correct hardware for the car. Simply just line up the holes with our bracket and screw it in. Okay, now that you've got the bracket onto the car, all you got to do is slot this in, push it down, and it'll clip in. There you go. Okay, last and final step, you just need to tighten the grub screws with the key supplied. Just make sure you center the bracket first. Done.